Dear friends, welcome to my video on what is the importance of virtue. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Virtue, the inner compass. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Virtue isn't just about doing good things. It's about the moral qualities that guide our decisions and shape our character. It's the inner compass that guides us through the forest of life, helping us navigate through the tough times, and leading us to the light. Virtues like honesty, integrity, and courage aren't just words. They are the forces that drive us to stand up for what is right, to be truthful to ourselves and others, and to face our fears with a brave heart. It's about walking the path of righteousness, even when it is not the easiest path to take. The domino effect of virtue. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Virtues have this magical effect of creating a ripple of goodness in the world. You see, when you are kind to someone, it not only lifts their spirit but encourages them to be kind to someone else, creating a beautiful domino effect of positivity and love. It's like this fantastic chain reaction where one good deed inspires another, creating a world filled with kindness and compassion. The inner peace connection. Okay, let's get personal for a moment. Virtue isn't just about the external world, it has a deep connection with our inner selves. When we practice virtues, it brings a deep sense of satisfaction, a peace that is hard to describe. It is that inner joy that comes from knowing that you have done something good, something pure, and something selfless. And here's the kicker, practicing virtue actually makes us happier. Yes, you heard it right. Studies have shown that individuals who practice virtues like gratitude, kindness, and empathy are generally happier and more satisfied in life. The Symphony of Virtue. As we meander further down this path, we start to see that virtues are not isolated islands. They are interconnected, creating a symphony of goodness that reverberates through our lives. It is about finding the harmony between different virtues, understanding when to be patient, when to be courageous, and when to be kind. It's like playing a beautiful piece of music where every note, every pause, and every crescendo creates a harmonious and uplifting melody that touches the soul. In the grand scheme of things now, stepping back a bit, we see the grand canvas where virtues paint a landscape filled with warmth, compassion, and love. It's about building communities that thrive on mutual respect, understanding, and cooperation. But hey, it doesn't stop at communities. It's about nations coming together, transcending borders and barriers, fostering peace, and nurturing the spirit of unity and harmony. It's about envisioning a world that is kinder, gentler, and more beautiful, a place where every individual is respected, loved, and valued. The personal journey. But you know what? Virtue is also about a personal journey, a path of self-discovery where we learn, grow, and evolve. It is about being the best version of ourselves, not for the world, but for ourselves, because we deserve to live a life filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment. It's about waking up every day and choosing to walk the path of virtue, to listen to that inner voice that guides us to be kinder, to be better, and to be more understanding. It's about embracing the journey with an open heart, ready to learn, ready to grow, and ready to be amazed by the wonderful experiences that virtues can bring into our lives. Let's make it practical, alright? Now that we have covered the beauty and depth of virtue, let's bring it down to the ground level, to the practical side of things. How do we practice virtue in our everyday lives? Well, it can start with something as simple as a daily reflection, taking a few moments every day to think about the virtues we want to practice. It can be about setting a small goal, like doing a random act of kindness every day. It can be about being patient with ourselves, understanding that it is a journey, and it's perfectly fine to take baby steps, to learn and to grow at our own pace. Conclusion. So there we are, at the end of our deep dive into the world of virtue. It's been a beautiful journey, hasn't it? Exploring the depths of what it means to be virtuous, understanding the magical ripple effect it can create in the world, and diving deep into the personal journey of growth and fulfillment. As we part ways, here's a little nugget to take away. Virtue is not about perfection, it is about striving to be the best version of ourselves. It is about embracing the beautiful, messy, wonderful journey of life with a heart full of love, a soul full of courage, and a spirit ready to soar to the heights of goodness and joy. So go ahead, embrace virtue in your life, create that ripple of goodness in the world, and embark on the beautiful journey towards a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and boundless love. Till we meet again in the beautiful space of virtue and goodness, take care, be kind, and remember, the journey of virtue is the most beautiful journey of them all. Let's walk this path together, hand in hand, heart to heart, creating a world filled with love, joy, and endless possibilities. Remember, the world of virtue is open to everyone, so come on in, the door is always open. Let's make the world a better place, one virtuous act at a time. See you on the path of virtue, dear friends. It's going to be a beautiful journey. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up. Thanks for your support.